What's up, guys? 16 Subaru Forester, Autel IM608. Remote head blade key. Cut a B110 blank. Got a X-Horse super chip generated as a Subaru 82G key chip. Get started here. Got our VCI connected Bluetooth. We are on Wi-Fi. Go ahead and do manual selection here. America, Forester. It's a 16 model. Blade key. Okay. Start with the status scan. Turn the ignition on with the key we already have. Check our fault codes real quick, and we'll go ahead and erase them. We'll add a key. Okay. Got the beep. And success. We're all done. Under 2 minutes. Easy money. Thanks for watching.